Hi and welcome back to our channel. I'm Lisa, and this is
Joe.
And it seemed like every time these days we come on, we say that we're going to the pharmacy, story of our lives. But yes, again today we are going to the pharmacy, but we're also going to go to a shop where we can get Jamaican food stuff to buy.
Yeah.
So we're going to mask up. We've got hand gel, and we're going to
Doubling it up today.
double mask as well. We've got the jab, by the way, if you saw that video. So we feel more protected than we have felt in a good time. So come with us as we go to the pharmacy and to our Jamaican shop so that we can get our food stuff. By the way, please like our video. Please comment on the video. Please share. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining.
I love the color of the sky.
Yay!
It's not very cold, and that makes you feel so good in your skin.
Yeah, in fact, today I want to do something in the garden because I've been longing to plant up my peonies. Peonies, how do you say peony? But it's been too cold, but today looks like the day. So I'm going to try. So anyway, pharmacy run first, right?
Yeah. Lots of road work still.
I know I've said it before, but living so near to our pharmacy is such a blessing. Right, so we finished at the pharmacy. Now we're heading to our Jamaican food shop.
Last time I didn't take you in there. Now I hope I'll get a chance to. Let me radio off just in case.
Hallelujah,
Anyhow, never let your problems get you down. When temptations come your way, hold your head up high and say hallelujah anyhow. Hallelujah anyhow. Never let your problems get you down. When temptation come your way, hold your head up high and say hallelujah anyhow. Never let your problems get you down. When temptation come your way, hold your head up high and say hallelujah anyhow. And this is where I'll park today.
whilst I go into that there shop. I hope they have some nice goodies. Good morning.
Morning.
So this is our Jamaican shop, and they've got,
Do you need planting?
yeah,
Yeah.
2 nice ones, green ripe ones.
It's 3 for pound.
I don't know. Is it plantain 3 for a pound? Is the plantain 3 for a pound?
The one in the basket.
Okay. So they've got plantain, red fruit, coconut, jelly coconut, that's the young one that you have the meat to eat, the flesh, white flesh, soft flesh, and then drink the water. That's soft yam, really nice. Sweet potatoes,
Aloe vera.
ginger or aloe vera. Some people buy it and use it to drink or wash their hair. Tomatoes, Christophine or chocho, onions, red onions, lemons, garlic. Did we need garlic?
Maybe. You take one of
Cocoa. What's that one again, Joe?
them.
Cassava. Different type of yam. Pumpkin. Need a piece of this. Oh, this is pumpkin and we need a piece.
Put it on.
And luckily they sell it. They will cut it for you. Can you manage? Green bananas. Did you take up any banana?
Yeah.
We're having green bananas as well. We want these bananas.
Scotch pepper, yeah.
And we took banana instead.
Where's the banana? Did you take up some? No, okay.
They have like callaloo. Callaloo. Yeah.
Oh, here.
So these are the items we just got from our Jamaican food store. Well, this one is Better Pack Curry, which is our favorite type of curry powder. But we got that yesterday from Amazon because recently it's been very scarce. Then that's pumpkin for soups. Callaloo, which is like spinach. Got 2 tins of that. And then that's lemongrass, which is we call commonly in Jamaica fever grass. Tamarind, which we love, the sweet type. In Jamaica, we only have the sour ones, but we've come to like this one. And then Kia drink, the kids love. That's green banana, these green bananas. We boil them, mark them, and boil them in the skin. Or sometimes when we have lots like we do now, then we'll just mark them and freeze them. This is plantains, ripe plantains. Now there's a little trick here, because the more yellow and robust without any black the plantain look, the more expensive they are. But when they start to get black like this, the nicer they are, and yet in the shops they sell them cheaper. So we always go for these ones, 3 for £1. Then that's chicken feet. Yes, we're Jamaicans and we eat chicken feet to make a nice soup. That's chicken special parts. Tell us in the comments if you know what that is. That's fish, half a fish.
Not
but
half,
big.
just the head removed.
Just the head removed, yeah, but a big fish. And then that's Scotch bonnet pepper for our spicy Jamaican foods, garlic, and that's it. A nice spread of what we picked up, which will last us for some time until we get to go back again. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Please come along with us next week for more of this type. And please do remember to like, comment, subscribe,
and share only a red button. And by the way, it's free.
It's
Somebody
free
told
subscription.
us last week or 2 weeks ago that they thought they had to pay to subscribe.
No.
It's absolutely free. It just means that you're part of our family. And if you click the blue bell, it notifies you when there's a new video from us.
So thank you so much and see you again next week. Bye.